Hey kindergarten, let's review our skills for this week. First, we're going to start with our letter review. This is the letter M. M says, What sound does this letter say? For muffin or mat. Great job. This is the letter A. A says, for astronaut, or in the word mad. What sound does this letter say? Great job. This is the letter T. T says t for taco, or in the word tag. What sound does this letter say? T. Great job. This is the letter D. What sound does D say? D. D for dinosaur, or in the word dad. What sound does this letter say? D. You don't have to do that badly. Thank you, though. This is the letter C. C says k, like in the word carrot, or in the word cat. What sound does this letter say? K. Great job. This is the letter G. What sound does G say? G. G. Like in guitar, or in the word dog. Dog. What sound does this letter say? G. G. Great job. This is the letter O. O says ah. Like in the word otter, or in the word mom. What sound does this letter say? Great job. This is the letter I. I says like in the word insect, or in the word dig. What sound does this letter say? Great job. This is the letter N. N says like in noodles, or in the word man. What sound does this letter say? Great job. This is the letter H. H says like in the word hedgehog, or in the word hat. What sound does this letter say? This is the letter S. S says like in the word sun, or in the word sit. What sound does this letter say? Good job. This is the letter F. F says like in the word fox, or in the word fan. What sound does this letter say? Good job. This is the letter V. V says like in the word volcano, or in the word van. What sound does this letter say? Good job. This is the letter Z. Z says like in the word zigzag. Zigzag. What sound does this letter say? This is the letter P. P says for pickle, or in the word pig. What sound does this letter say? This is the letter E. E says like in the word egg. What sound does this letter say? Great job. Alright, let's go over the sounds really quick. A, k, d, G. I. Ah. P. S. T. Z. Great job. Alright, now let's go over how we decode words, how we read words. Remember, when we're reading a word, we need to touch each letter and say the sound, and then we need to put the sounds together. We gotta blend the sounds together, okay? So watch how I do this. Ad. Mad. Mad. What's the word? Mad. Good job. Set. Set. What's the word? Set. Next word. A or an? And because we have an. Look, an makes a whiny a sound. An, not a. An. Van. Good job. Next word. Hen. 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 What's the word? Hen. Good job. Z. I. Zip. Zip. What's the word? Zip. Good job. Next one. Ought. Ought. Caught. What's the word? Caught. Good job. Okay, now let's review our tricky words. Remember, tricky words are words that we cannot sound out. We have to know these words by heart because they do not follow the rules. This is the word one. What's the word? One. This is the word two. What's the word? Two. This is the word three. What's the word? Three. Now these are new words that we haven't learned yet, okay? This is the word a. When a is all by itself and it has no friends, it says its name, a. What's the word? A. Good job. This is the word the. The. What's the word? The. Great job. Keep working. I'm so proud of you guys. Bye.